In this tutorial, I am going to teach you how to write a simple Python program. For writing Python program, you first need to install Python IDE, that is 3.11.4. It is available online. Okay, then open from your start menu. Just search Python IDE here and open it. Okay, now just go to the file menu and create a file. Okay, now you can save this file with a name. Suppose I am saving this file with python test.py. Okay, there's already test.py exists here, so I am create text 25.py, right? So it's created on Python notebook. So let's create here. It's a permission error, so just create in desktop. So here I am creating just a simple file python test 25.py. Now we just store some value in Python. Suppose x equals to 5 and y equals to 7. Python actually use the inbuilt data engine, so you need not any data types here, and just create sum equals to x plus y and just print sum. So it will print the addition of two numbers, that is x and y. Similarly, if you need any input type, suppose you create a input variables. For creating inputs, just comment it. For comment the intersection, you just comment using slash. So comment out region, just slash here. Just input, for a input x equals to int input. Enter the value of x and y equal to, sorry, you need to close another bracket, y equals to int. Int means integer type variable. You want to enter some integer type variable. Enter the value of y here, and just similarly just go ahead and calculate sum and print the result is sum and just run it. So here Python asking value from user and simply add it. So like this way you can simply input some value and simply calculate. Normally Python have several type of operator. We can work with several type of operator in Python. Suppose if you divide it, you get a floating point results. Suppose you divide with double slash, it's a float divisions. So it's a, you get output in a absolute number. So if you square a number, just using double star, so is make a square or cube any power number. So the double star use for create a power. 2 to the power 3 means 8. Okay. Like this, you can add number. Suppose a equals to 6 and b equals to 7. You just add here a plus b and get the result. Okay, like this way you can also use in console to operate with working with some various types of operator here. So this is a simplest way to how to work with a Python basic compiler. Okay.